Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. We're going to do another huge unboxing here today. Look at all the boxes I have. I should have maybe 5, I think, here. About 5. So let's start with the first one. Finally came in from Hong Kong. I ordered this from eBay. I bought from an eBay seller back in March. It finally came in today. So let's see what it is. Ah, cool. Yep. I actually already have this one. It's an Airbus 321 Gemini Jets Delta. I had bought an Aero Classics Airbus 321, but I didn't like it. So I ended up buying this one, like I said, way back in March. And since I thought it would never come in, I ended up buying the same thing from another eBay seller in the US. So now I've been sticking mostly to US, North America, and Canada. Staying away from international sellers just because of all of these restrictions. Just take it out of the box. Let's see. Oh. The wings are held together well. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, look at that. So here we go. Get a close-up of it, Jerpp. See if we can get the engines. Typical Gemini Jets. Has your VHF antennas on top. Okay, enough of this one. Let's move on to the next one. I think this is eBay. It just came in today. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, nice. JC Wings, Airbus 330, Toy Story. 1:400 scale, of course. JC Wing boxes are all the same. They do great models, but their boxes are not as creative as Gemini Jets or Phoenix or NG. They all include these little, I don't know if they're collector's cards or whatever they are, but it's a nice touch. They have great packaging too. I haven't seen this one in Boston, but oop, the wing is loose. Really? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll fix it. No crazy glue. Not too happy about that. It does look nice though. Wow. There you go, Jerpp. So as I was saying, I haven't seen that one land in Boston, but I'm gonna collect these unique liveries. I think that one looks pretty nice. Probably hearing my little Chihuahua Nico in the background barking. Let me know in the comments if you want to see him. So there we go. Typical Airbus A330-300. China Eastern in the Toy Story livery. Tail number Bravo 5976. Yep, Bravo 5976. Did you get the engines already? Alright, let's get the engines. Okay, here we go. Let's get the back. Okay, and the underside. Nice job. Look at the detail on those engines. JC Wings does such a nice job. I like it. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, I think this is another eBay. It should be. I haven't ordered from Panda Fox Toys in a couple of weeks, so it should all be eBay. Again, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day in Boston today. It's a Saturday, no work, nice and sunny. Probably mid to high 80s. A little bit of humidity. My lawn is waiting for me to mow it later today, so I need to go buy a new lawn mower. I'm gonna go green this time and buy an electric one. Oh, there we go. Finally came in. All Nippon Airways. 747, another Pokemon one. Look at that. Remember when we first saw that on video, Jerpp? You loved it, didn't you? Yeah, so we finally got it. This is another model I ordered back in April. Came in from Hong Kong. And took quite a bit to come, but I think it was worth it. I got it for a great price, for like $80, I think. Free shipping too. That's why I decided to be patient. Everybody else was selling it for like $100, $110. Expensive. Here we go, limited edition. Is this a Phoenix? I think it's a Phoenix. It is a Phoenix. It has to be a Phoenix. That's not a JC Wings box. 747-400. And it looks great. Okay, there we go. Alright, Jerpp. Get a nice close up. Has the Pokeballs on the engines. Has Pikachu on the rudder. So get the APU detail there, Jerpp. See if you can get some details. And let's get the underside. Jerpp is my son, by the way. He does the camera work for these unboxings. And I'm using a new microphone today. I haven't gotten my light yet. I'm using a Rode, I don't know, Rode Micro, I think is what it's called. Bought it on eBay. Got it for a great deal. Like 60 something dollars for that thing on an auction. So there we go. Let's move on. Let's do the next one. Yeah, I know you like that, Jerpp. Pikachu. My second Pikachu plane. Pokemon Pikachu, whatever. I never watched those cartoons. It's too old for that. I grew up in the old Guy King days. Star Blazer. I'm an 80s kid. Gen Xer. Okay. Let's see. Well, got two. This is another eBay purchase. Let's check out the first one. The first one is an Airbus A400M. Royal Air Force Gemini Max 1-400 scale. Kind of looks like the C-130. I think probably provides, it's like the competitor to the C-130 from Airbus. Typical Gemini Jets, Gemini Max box with the details. Let's get it out of the box. Did it survive manufacturing? I think it did. Look at that. Nothing's loose. The propellers spin. Wow, nice detail on those propellers. I don't care if the wheels turn because it's really tiny. And this rear hatch should open, but I'm not going to mess with it today. Look at the underside. Look at the detail on that thing. It looks great. They did a great job with this thing. Great detail on the engine cowlings, the propellers, the sides, Royal Air Force. I'll share more details with it on another video. I'll do a quick little review. See how many Jerps I give it. Does it deserve 1 Jerp, 2 Jerps, 6 Jerps? I don't know. We'll see. That's what I'm going to use as my rating system. Alright, let's get the underside real quick and move on. Still have another one to go. Got it? Alright, let's move on. That one looks really nice. I like that. Another Gemini Jets. I got these from puppystreasures.com. He sells on eBay. He's a nice eBay seller. I have a few more coming in from him. And the Southwest and the Colorado one livery. Well, this one isn't typical Gemini Jets. Look at that, no flap. Pretty vanilla box. It almost looks like a counterfeit, but I don't know. Here we go. Did it survive manufacturing? It did. Okay, let me give it a quick little inspection, Jerpp, before I hand it off to you. Alright, looks good. There we go. Looks nice. I like that. I like that livery. I'm gonna try to collect one of each, or each one of those unique Southwest liveries. I already have a few, with a few more to go. Let's get the underside real quick. Not much to see there. And that's it. Let's go add them to our collection. Alright, let's move that Toy Story China Eastern to our collection. It goes in with the Airbuses. So bring the camera down, Jerpp, and there we go. There. Airbus 330s and 350s. Alright, let's move the Southwest Colorado one to the Southwest collection. Let's go. There we go, next to Tennessee 1 and next to the NBA. I don't know what that NBA one is called. I'm going to have to look it up again. That's what I have so far for Southwest. Okay. And let's get the next one. Alright, let's move this ANA 747 Pokemon one. Actually, you know what? I don't have a spot for it. I ran out of space. I'm going to have to get another board and reshuffle my collection, reorganize my collection. So let's set it down here. Just park it temporarily in the Airbus A380 board. And as you can see, there's a lot of space left, which means that I have quite a few Airbus 380s coming in. So turn notifications on or something, or keep scanning this channel, because I'm adding to my collection almost every week. And at some point I'm going to stop and do the reviews. I know I owe you guys the reviews, so there you go. Alright, for the last one, the Airbus A400M Gemini Max. It's not going to go too far, because I already have some military aircraft. I don't know where to put it though, because again, I'm probably going to have to reorganize this a little bit. You know what? I'm going to do maybe that. So I'll have the C-130 on one side and the A400 on the other. There we go. Okay. Alright everyone, so thanks again for watching my content, watching my channel. Like and subscribe. Again, shout out to Gemini Jets 13. And shout out to Red River Aviation and Markus Pix. Just look up their channels here on YouTube. They have excellent content. Really nice people. And I hope they give me a shout out too. I need the help starting this out. And until next time, take care. Bye.